Welcome to NDN Art Books. Hello friends, today we have another drawing we draw. Let's draw a cute bee with flower. First we will draw the head and the body, and the hands and the legs. And then the wings, and the string, and the cute eyes, the laughing cute mouth, the tongue, and the sternum. And now we will put flower right here, with the stem and leaf. And we will put beehive here. And leaves of the tree and branch of the tree. And leaves here. Since we are done sketching, now we will color the cute bee. Let us start with sternum, with the color yellow. Flower yellow. Another color for the sternum with the color of orange. And then the beehive is orange. And another color for the beehive with the color yellow-orange. And then the legs and the hands color gray with yellow. The head we will color it into a red. Color yellow. And back to the flower, we will color the stem with the color of brown. And red for the stem seed. and another green for the tree leaves. Finally done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until our next video, see you